There are few exceptions to the rule in the Class C recreational world, where quality, luxury, and affordability go hand in hand. An RV worthy of those more discerning buyers wanting something superior to the industry norm, something safer than the industry standard, something more, not only for themselves, but for the entire family when choosing what their recreational vehicle will be and provide for them on the many journeys ahead. The exception to the rule is here. Introducing the Thor Motor Coach Geneva, available exclusively at Motorhome Specialist and select Blue Compass RV locations across America, offering you not only an unprecedented value, but over 100 locations nationwide to provide you incomparable serviceability wherever your travels may take you. Let's get started and look at the Geneva's features inside and out. It's available in 4 versatile new floor plans, sure to fit most any RV lifestyle, including the ever-popular 31VA Bunk model. Starting in the interior of the 31VA, you will find the Glacier Interior Decor Package, with upgraded leatherette furniture throughout, including the captain's chairs. The jackknife sofa easily converts to an extra sleeping area. And speaking of sleeping, the large cab-over sleeper is easily accessed by a telescoping bunk ladder. It is equipped with cup holders and a storage area. The Skyview front window features a blackout power shade, providing exceptional natural lighting by day and an unforgettable view by night. The large collapsible Dream dinette is both beautiful and practical. A 40-inch LED TV is opposite of the sofa for easy viewing, and premium window privacy shades will create your own sanctuary. On the dinette table itself are cup holders and a wireless phone charger with USB plug. There is extra storage under the booth seats, provided by the heavy-duty full-extension drawer glides. The Galley features beautiful countertops, accent lighting, and a large window that really opens up the space. The look is further enhanced by the Coastline Gray flat panel cabinetry with decorative glass inserts. You'll find standout features like a recessed 3-burner cooktop with a glass door oven. Under the oven is a large metal pan drawer. A separate convection microwave oven will allow you to cook multiple items at the same time. The Galley is further enhanced with heavy-duty full-extension drawer glides. An undersink cabinet, perfect for a wastebasket. A pop-up countertop outlet with charging center. A large stainless steel sink with upgraded faucet and sink covers. On the passenger side is a large refrigerator with an automatic generator start. Next to the fridge, you will find ample pantry storage. When you are traveling with a larger crew, the Geneva 31VA Bunk model is the perfect solution. You will find 2 large bunks. The top bunk is accessible with the included telescoping ladder. Each bunk has its own window with roller shades, and each has a tablet holder and USB charging ports. Under the bunks, you will find 2 large storage drawers. And when it's time for bed, the bunks have separate privacy curtains. The bath will leave you wanting for nothing. It is a flow-through design which is easily accessible from the living bunk area or the bedroom. You will enjoy such features as a large glass door shower, complete with skylight, a Shower Miser hot water recycling system, a Girard Tankless water heater with a whole coach water filtration system, a large sink with under-sink storage, as well as a mirrored medicine cabinet, and an upgraded porcelain commode with overhead cabinet storage. The large bedroom in the 31VA features a queen bed with premium bedding. Overhead storage above the bed is plentiful. Large windows on 3 sides help bring in plenty of natural light. Each window features premium roller shades. A large bedroom LED TV is standard. A large closet with mirrored doors and plenty of cabinet drawers will let you bring along everything you need. Left of the bed are welcome utilities, such as a 12-volt outlet, which is perfect for a CPAP machine. Also included are USB and 120-volt outlets, as well as the AC and heat controls for the bedroom. Keeping it all comfortable are the dual-roof AC units that are fully ducted for more evenly distributed cooling and quietness of operation. Just a few of the additional standout features found in the new 31VA Geneva include the beautiful sterling-colored exterior sidewalls, premium graphics package, and underbody LED lighting package on the campside. When it's time to party, extend the large patio awning with integrated LED lighting. Speaking of parties, a Winegard Connect 2.0 Wi-Fi 4G TV antenna can pump signals into the exterior LED TV with Bluetooth, which includes a built-in soundbar and radio. Also on the campsite, you will find the mega storage rear compartment bay. Rounding out the Geneva's exterior is the signature front fiberglass cap with radius corners, integrated LED running lights, and massive sky view front window. The Geneva also features dual house batteries, a solar charging system, heated tank pads for winter trips, a 4-kilowatt generator, heated and remote side mirrors, a large touchscreen dash radio with Google Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as an outside shower. When designing the new Geneva 31VA, safety and function for the whole family were of the highest priority. Just a few of these standout features include a child safety tether located in the collapsible Dream Dinette. A child safety net system is located in the cab over sleeper. A tire pressure monitoring system. A backup camera. Integrated side view cameras. In addition, you will find the PetLink multi-purpose tie-down. The trademarked pull-out Kibble Station with an FDA-approved pet bowl liner is a welcome addition for pet owners. The Geneva 31VA rides on the Ford E450 chassis with an upgraded SmoothTECH Ride Suspension System and is powered by the all-new Ford 7.3-liter V8, boasting 325 horsepower and an impressive 450 foot-pounds of torque. Feel free to take extra toys along, as Geneva not only has the power to do it, but the 8,000-pound hitch comes standard. You will also find power-stabilizing jacks on the Geneva 31VA. From top to bottom, every Geneva features construction, highlights, and features not commonly found in the RV industry. The roof is comprised of an interlocking, pre-molded insulation, an aluminum-framed system, resulting in a much sturdier roof. The outer layer is a premium one-piece cross-flex exterior material with interwoven cross members, creating a product 3 times stronger than traditional materials, as well as incorporates UV protection and reflective factors, helping keep the interior of the coach cooler in the summer heat. And all of this is backed by an industry-leading 12-year limited warranty. The sidewall and cage construction are fully welded, heavy-gauge aluminum superstructures with electro-galvanized steel strapping that is laminated into the sidewalls and roof, serving as a superior anchor for the cabinetry, virtually eliminating any chance of separation or the noise attributed to loose cabinets. The floor is 1.5-inch thick frame truss, highlighted by structure wood flooring. Structure wood is a one-piece floor decking with only one seam in most floor plans, instead of the normal 4x8 sheets of plywood commonly used in other products. This helps eliminate soft spots and squeaks from developing in the floors. Every floor, wall, and roof is also vacuum bonded at Thor Motor Coach's state-of-the-art lamination facility, utilizing their even distributed moisture-cured urethane adhesives every half inch. And because the Geneva is an exclusive product to Motorhome Specialist and the Blue Compass family of stores, every Geneva owner will enjoy unparalleled quality of ownership, provided by the RV Complete VIP suite of products. Travel safe, knowing you have access to 24-hour-a-day emergency roadside assistance, certified technician hotlines, tire assistance, battery boosts, fuel and emergency fluid delivery, unlimited towing, and a 24/7 worldwide medical service hotline at the tip of your fingers. Travel smart, with access to RV Complete's superior trip planning technology, emergency trip interruption, lockout protection, paintless dent repair, windshield repair, and truly elevate your travel experience with our VIP concierge services that can assist you with reservations, coordinate your travel arrangements, and much, much more. Lastly, travel well by keeping more of your hard-earned dollars in your pocket. Enjoy membership discounts on camping, vehicle rental, travel and entertainment, RV products and accessories, to mention just a few of the available benefits you'll enjoy at no additional charge for 1 year. For complete details on the RV Complete VIP suite of services and how to extend those services, contact Motorhome Specialist or a Blue Compass RV store today. For complete details, available features, and sale prices on the all-new Thor Motor Coach Geneva 22 VA, 25 VA, 28 VA, and the 31 VA, call or visit us online now. The Thor Motor Coach Geneva. Why pay more? Why settle for less?
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at MHSRV.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership-performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?